Let's say you know you did something. Maybe it's legal, maybe it's not legal, maybe you know it's illegal. You think you're probably not going to get away with it. You've got that lump in your stomach, right? You've got that stress, you're not sleeping at night, and you're thinking to yourself, should I call a lawyer? The police haven't called me. Why waste money on a lawyer? I'm Josh Camson. I'm a criminal defense attorney at Miller, Turetsky, Rule, McLennan. Today we're going to talk about should you hire a lawyer or talk to a lawyer before charges have been filed. If you haven't gotten anything in the mail yet, maybe you've gotten a call from the police, or maybe you just know that there might be charges coming, what we call down the pike. That's the absolute best time to call a lawyer and hire a lawyer. I've done this so many times. I get calls like this all the time. People say, oh, I didn't think I should call you yet. I was going to wait until charges were filed, but then we're behind the 8 ball. If we know that something's going to come, we get to prepare, right? And that's what you see these big celebrities do, these fancy folks. They hire lawyers way ahead of time because they know what's going to happen. They know they're going to get charged, or they think they might get charged. And even if you think you might get charged, that gives the lawyer an opportunity to reach out to the government if it's appropriate, or the Commonwealth, or the police, or whoever, and try to avoid those charges. I can't even tell you how many times I've gotten a phone call from someone, whether they were contacted by police or they thought they were going to, and I've been able to play the intermediary, get the whole thing straightened out. Nobody went to jail. Nobody got a record. Nobody even got charged with anything. Maybe it's a misunderstanding. Maybe it's a dispute that should really be a civil issue and we get it handled that way. It all depends on the case, but there's really a lot of headway you can make even before charges are filed, even after you get that first call from police, because that's where a lawyer can really advocate to avoid the entire criminal justice process. That time period after something's been done, but before the charges are filed, is critical. You have time that you can work with your attorney, contact the police, get it done, get it squared away so the charges are not filed, hopefully. But if they are filed and you already have an attorney, you're 3 steps ahead, right? If that attorney's already reached out to police, they know you're represented. They're not just going to show up at your home or your office or arrest you. The attorney can coordinate attorneying. All these things that are beneficial of having someone ready to go if charges are filed and having that conversation before charges are filed. Again, I'm Josh Camson. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I represent people throughout Pennsylvania. If you found a little bit of value in this, or a lot of value, hopefully a lot of value, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, share the content so that other people can see the channel and learn along with you. Thanks a lot.